Taj Palace, New Delhi is a 405 rooms luxurious hotel in the heart of New Delhi and is part of Taj Hotels, Resorts and Palaces, one of Asia's largest and finest group of hotels. Continuing with their journey towards sustainability, the hotel was looking for an energy-efficient lighting solution. Philips partnered with Taj Palace in this journey by supplying LED lighting.
And the Taj, in terms of group, it's 100 years old groups, and in terms of sustainabilities, it is driven from the leaderships of the Taj group. We have been doing these initiatives to take care of the energy conservations, and part of that, the LED which we were thinking about to put into systems wherever possible, and then we have done a study with the help of Philips, and finally we find out the area where the running hours of the lights are more than desired hours, means if it is more than 24 hours, if it is running requirement, so that areas we were planning to install LED lights. We have started installing the LED lights in our kitchen, in our you can see in a plant room is there, my office and my executive office. And why we are going for LED? One is the saving. Second important thing is it's going to reduce the repair and maintenance cost. It's kind of fix it and forget it. And user who's going to take the benefit, he is getting more limits compared to earlier. Lux level has gone as like a triple what was earlier.
See, we are a ISO 22000 certified hotel. For us, the hygiene and the end product on the plate matters the most. What the guest sees is the end product on the plate. For that reason alone, we need a lot of luminance, a lot of lux in the light. It makes us easier to look at the plate to see what the end product is going to look at. It also helps my colleagues in kitchen stewarding to maintain the hygiene and the cleanliness. Our maintenance department also, they come in less inside the kitchen. What eliminates is the possibility of foreign particle finding its way into the food.
When our interaction started with Taj, it was primarily to understand their pain point. What we got to know is basically they are struggling with the conventional lights which they are using at the back of the house areas. We proposed a solution. We proposed actually a solution which was Philips green LED product. The reason to choose the product was basically they didn't want to change much in terms of the aesthetics and the looks. They didn't want to change much in terms of investment and changing POPs and things like that.
So the area which we have placed, every day we are saving almost 235 units per day. The ROI for the LEDs, where we have installed already, it's almost 18 months. Now we are going in a phased manner because it needs some amount. We have invested more than 12 lakhs in a last financial year for LED only, and now we are planning to go for the rooms. So rooms also we will do it. If you ask me, the Philips, they are really whenever we need any input from them, when we need any technical data, any our requirement which is not existing with them, but they will come up with all solutions, replacement of the same thing, and combinedly we achieved our requirement. That is a plus point with the Philips. They customize, they do their own R&D, and then after that come back to us, yeah, this is the possibilities and this is the best solutions they give us always.